When it comes to cyber threats, it's not a question of if, it's a question of when. Because cyber criminals use hacked or misrepresented information to exploit flaws in business processes for their illicit gain, and they are adapting more quickly to traditional security measures than organizations can protect against them. Meanwhile, the targeted businesses attacked can incur serious damage to their brand reputation and their bottom line. This imbalance puts organizations from all sectors, retail, banking, telco, insurance, energy, just to name a few, and their customers at risk. Traditional security measures based on protection alone are not enough to protect organizations from these agile and aggressive cyber criminals. The good news? Hidden in the same data that criminals and criminal networks exploit are the insights and intelligence that can be used to identify and disrupt them. With the right technology, organizations can turn the tables and proactively fight back. IBM i2 Enterprise Insight Analysis is that technology. This next-generation intelligence solution lets organizations apply advanced analytics at unprecedented speed and scale across the enterprise and third-party datasets to generate comprehensive insights about their vulnerabilities and their attackers in near real time. Armed with these insights, IBM i2 Enterprise Insight Analysis users will be able to fortify their security measures and better disrupt and prevent future attacks, ultimately protecting their organization, their customers, and their bottom line. In this example, investigators at a large telco company are alerted by the SIEM system of a high-priority alert. They pull the alert into IBM i2 Enterprise Insight Analysis, also known as EIA, to examine the context of the attack. EIA consolidates and aggregates large and disparate sets of data from multiple corporate systems, enabling investigators to query the data quickly and identify additional entities and events triggered by the ID in the event. The analysis shows that suspicious software has been installed, and it is sent for malware analysis. It also reveals more about the ID, such as when it was created and the username that created it. Having identified the username, investigators begin fusing company data sources, including network data, asset records, HR and telephone system records. They discover the username is connected to a previous employee, Ned Farias. This appears to be an insider threat. The investigators identify assets that belonged to the employee, including a phone and a computer. Drilling into the digital footprint left by Ned Farias, they see that 3 users operated Ned's computer, including a current employee named Mike Yocos. The red lines show several unsuccessful attempts to access sensitive systems. The green lines indicate successful attacks. Investigators then broaden their analysis of the former employee using advanced querying capabilities. Results are returned in seconds and quickly filtered and visualized. Analyzing call patterns during Farias's last months of employment, investigators uncover critical details, including the most contacted numbers. This analysis leads them to an external phone number. The investigators plug the phone number of interest into the EIA recommendation engine, which searches the corpus of available data and uncovers an emergency contact for Mike Yocos. Appearing for the second time in our analysis, Yocos now becomes a principal suspect. Meanwhile, the malware analysis is returned, confirming that data is being siphoned from sensitive systems and copied to a remote server. Leveraging the integrated geospatial analysis capabilities, the team plots the physical location of the remote server and identifies where the theft will take place. Now that they know the details of the attack, the investigators need to confirm who was behind it. A complex query across 4 dimensions produces a result set indicating their principal suspect, Mike Yocos. Having confirmed that an attack orchestrated by Mike Yocos is underway, the investigators access Yocos' security badge data, geospatially plot his location and intercept him before the theft occurs. As illustrated in this example, IBM i2 Enterprise Insight Analysis provides critical insights into an organization's threatscape, including the who, what, when, where, and why of threats and attackers in near real time. Don't let criminals hide in the noise. Know your attackers. IBM i2 Enterprise Insight Analysis.